Hello guys, today I will teach you about the fluid mechanics subject in the engineering field for the Pokhara University. Sometime you will be asked the benchrometers in the short note questions in the Pokhara University, and I will teach you about the benchrometer. What do you understand the benchrometer? When the fluid flow through the pipes, when the fluid can be flow through with the help of the pipes and continuously under the pressures is known as benchrometers. Let us consider P1, B1 and P2, B2, D1 and D2. P1, B1 and A1 is the pressure, head and area of the diameters of the sections of the benchrometer, and applying the Bernoulli's equations in the section first and section second. And P1 by gamma plus Z1 plus V1 by V1 square by 2G is equals to be P2 by gamma plus Z2 plus V2 square by 2G, where P1 by gamma is equals to be pressure of the head and Z1 is the datums. V1 square by 2G is equals to be consider about the velocity to flow the fluid in the fluid sections. For the horizontal directions, datum should be 0 because at the datum at the same constants of the height in the levels, so it becomes to be 0. It's not be constant. It should be constant value, so it can be neglect them. Z1 is equals to be Z2 is equals to be Z1 is equals to be Z2 are be neglected from there. And by applying the continuous of equations, and therefore we're applying the continuous equations. Now applying the continuous of equations, V1 is equals to be QTH by A1 and P1 P2 by gamma is equals to be H, where different pressure, head, section first and section second. Putting the value in equation first, then it will become Z1 H1 is equals to be V1 square minus V2 square by 2G. Therefore V1 value is QTH by A1 whole square minus QTH by A2 whole square by 2G and H. Therefore 2GH is equals to be QTH square by A1 square minus QTH square by A2 square. Therefore the equations becomes QTH is equals to be root under 2GH into A1 A2 by A1 square minus A2 square. Solve these equations and then equation should be becomes therefore A1 A2 and root under 2GH by root under A1 square minus A2 square, because loss of energy has not be considered, but actual particles is always sum of the energy as a fluid benchrometer on the, and therefore the equation should be becomes QTH is equals to be CD A1 A2 root under 2GH by A1 root under A1 square minus a2 square, where CD is the coefficient of discharge, and the coefficient of the discharge of these equations. And I think it is important for the short note questions in the Pokhara University and processing about them. Thank you so much, and please subscribe the bell icon buttons and like and share the video.